Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see how to create an Instagram account. First of all, you have to download the Instagram app. If you are an Android user, you can download it from the Play Store, and if you are an Apple user, you can download it from the App Store. After downloading, tap on your Instagram app. After the opening of your Instagram app, tap on the right lower corner where given. After tapping on your profile picture, you have to tap on the username on the top of the home page. Then tap on the add new account and then tap on create a new account. After this, you have to enter your username on which you wanna create your new Instagram account. Like I enter here Hasib674. You can see that this username is not available already on Instagram, so you can use this. Like green tick is given in front of my username. Tap on next and then read the lower line, sign up with email or phone number. If you want to create your new Instagram account on email address, then tap on email address. If you wanna create on your phone number, tap on phone number. I will tap on phone number and then add your phone number on which you wanna create your new Instagram account. After adding your phone number, tap on next button and then you have to enter the confirmation code. Your confirmation code will be sent on the phone number you have entered. After adding the confirmation code, you have to enter your password and then your account will be created. After logging in, you can use Instagram account, and after logging out, you can again log in your Instagram account by using your phone number and the password you have chosen. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.